What up, what up? Back at it. I know I've been MIA on the videos, but that's just how I do it, you know. I don't post every move, but you know, I'm trying to start do every move, but just busy. But there's the 300. The door's a little messed up. I was at the gym, you know, getting buff, getting sexy, you know what I'm saying? That's why the hoes love me. But now in reality, I was at the gym, and this guy, I opened the door. Some people wanted to hear the cam. They recognized me from Instagram, and they're like, oh, I want to hear the 300. I opened the door, car next to me, fucking drove forward and fucked it up. So I've been dealing with that, but enough of that shit. So I got two videos today. I got the airbags that we're gonna start installing on the 300, and I got Borla Atak. Right now I got the Solo Performance, the Race Edition. It's basically like straight piped, and that shit's too fucking loud, bro. Like I don't even enjoy being in the car driving. It's like too raspy. I know a lot of Mopars are known for like the raspiness, and that's just not me, bro. Like it sounds like shit. But I got the Borla Atak. I'm gonna get this installed because, like I said, I don't like the raspiness in the Solo Performance Race Edition. You know, we did headers, cam, and all that bullshit, and it's just too loud for me. Maybe because I'm getting old or whatever, but that's just too loud. Alright, so I'm on the road. I got everything in the car. Everything's good to go. This is what I'm telling you guys. This shit's loud as fuck, bro. Like straight up fucking loud. But this is how, like, right now I'm not even on like full throttle, you know, like only 2,000 RPMs. Watch, let me roll up the fucking windows. Yeah, 2,000 RPMs, bro. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you could hear the exhaust through the GoPro or whatever, but look, it's loud as fuck. And then I'm gonna start stepping on it more. I don't know, see? I'm pretty sure you could hear all that, like the raspiness and the exhaust. I don't fuck with it, bro. To me, that shit sounds ugly as fuck. I'll floor it here in a bit. I don't really like driving my cars all crazy, especially on the road, because I got my CDL and shit. But I'll floor it, and I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys how it sounds. Alright, there's no cars. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can hear the exhaust through the back. But watch, this is basically a little example. That shit sounds like ass to me. That was me giving it like 75% throttle. That shit sounds like ass to me. So I'm gonna go get it switched out. I don't fuck with exhaust, and I'll show you, and then we'll do it some new clips. So we are at the exhaust. It's just the axle back. We're getting here's the Borla. I got a little hat. Got the clamp, got the hat. Oh, it's that. Instructions. There it is.